If you want your schedule to look cleaner, calmer, and way more organized, today I'm going to show you exactly how to make Google Calendar aesthetic. This is a simple way to turn a busy calendar into something that actually looks good and feels easier to use every single day. We'll set up separate calendars, organize them by color, clean up the layout, and make your events easier to read at a glance. And if this video helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, take a moment to look at your current calendar layout. If everything is mixed together in one place, that can make your schedule feel cluttered and overwhelming. The goal here is to create a cleaner visual system, so the first step is to separate your life into different calendars. To do that, look for the option to create a new calendar. Start by making one for work, one for personal, one for family, and any other category that fits your life, like school, fitness, content, or side projects. The idea is to group similar events together so you can instantly tell what kind of commitment each item belongs to. This makes your calendar much easier to scan and gives it that organized aesthetic feel. After creating your calendars, the next step is to assign a consistent color to each one. This is one of the biggest changes you can make for a more aesthetic look. For example, you might use blue for work, green for personal, purple for family, and yellow for creative projects. The important thing is to stay consistent. When your colors have meaning, your calendar becomes easier to understand at a glance and it looks much cleaner overall. Now start adding or moving your events into the correct calendars. When you create a new event, make sure it goes into the right category so the color stays organized. This helps prevent your calendar from turning into a random mix of colors and event types. A good color system makes everything feel intentional instead of chaotic. Next, use simple and clear event titles. Instead of long, messy titles, keep them short and easy to read. For example, use names like team meeting, gym session, dinner with family, or study time. If it fits your style, you can also add emojis where appropriate to make the calendar feel more personal and visually appealing. Just don't overdo it. A few well-placed emojis can make your calendar look aesthetic without making it harder to read. After that, choose the view that works best for how you like to plan. If you want to see a bigger picture of your month, use month view. If you prefer a more detailed schedule, week view is usually better. Pick the view that makes your calendar feel less crowded and more enjoyable to use. The right view can make a huge difference in how aesthetic and functional your calendar feels. Another great tip is to hide calendars you don't need to see all the time. If you have calendars that are important but not relevant at the moment, temporarily turn them off so your main view stays clean. This is especially helpful if you want a minimalist look and don't want too many items competing for attention. You can always turn them back on whenever you need them. Finally, go through and remove unnecessary or outdated events. Old reminders, finished tasks, and events you no longer need can make your calendar feel cluttered fast. Cleaning those out helps your schedule look fresh and makes it easier to focus on what actually matters right now. A clean calendar is not just prettier, it's also more useful. So to recap, if you want to make Google Calendar aesthetic, separate your calendars by category, use consistent colors, keep titles simple, add a few emojis, choose the best view for your style, hide anything unnecessary, and remove outdated events. Those small changes can completely transform how your calendar looks and feels. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and let me know in the comments what other app you want to make aesthetic next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.